There it is, boys and girls. My baby boy Big Man's lunch, breakfast, and dinner. Fried potato skins and liver, chicken liver. As you can see, he's waiting to try. Boy, he won't eat. It's funny, he won't eat the raw chicken liver. Oh, you want to lick the spoon? Okay, boy. But he sure likes them sauteed up with the onion, the potato peelings. Why throw them out? Let him enjoy. Give them to your pets. Mr. Big Man, are you ready for breakfast? You think you'd like some of this? I gave him a bite. He knows what's coming. Let's see if he likes chicken livers that have been sauteed in butter, a little bit of oil, and potato skins. Yeah, the proof is in the pudding there. He's a happy, happy man.